just got home from getting our flu shots, and now I'm gonna do some Christmas card and organizing. And we are gonna finish up these orders and get those done. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna make my little ribbon thing, and I'll show you how I do that. So I just pick out a ribbon. This year I'm doing Nutcracker because I've got the velvet green is kind of the color this year. So I'm gonna do that, and then I just attach it with the suction cup, and then I'll show you. All right, and then I have these little clips that I bought last year. I think I'm just gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get natural little clips, but I'll use these for right now. It is a rainy, stormy day, but we've got our cards. Super cute, right? And then I might put a bow at the top, but I don't know. Sometimes I need all of this. It is a soup kind of night, and I need to eat up this Italian sausage, so I'm gonna make a white bean and sausage soup. Easy peasy. So I'm gonna let that simmer for probably about 2 hours, and then we'll have that for Den. Well, the adults. I'm gonna make the kids tacos. All right, I'm gonna finish up this order, and then I'm gonna have my coffee with a little bit of a snack. It's so gloomy and gross. Then I need to do a little bit of work that I didn't get to do Friday. And I'm done with my cards for now. So all right, and I thought I would do a little check-in while I'm doing this, just to see how everyone's doing. How is everyone feeling about the holidays approaching? I really can't believe it. I have not done any wrapping, but I'm done with the kids. Still need to work on Sean. So send me your ideas for your husbands, for your significant others. I am drawing a blank and it's tough. I'm like, I have no idea what to get him, but I figured I would share with you guys where I'm at because we are now, how long are we? 3 weeks away, right? 3 weeks? Let me check. Okay, so we have like 2.5 weeks left, 2 weeks and 5 days or something, which is crazy. So in the 3-week countdown, I'm sending Christmas cards by Tuesday, pick Christmas event outfits, that's done, wrap gifts as they arrive, label accordingly. Haven't even started on that, but I have everything to do so. And we're doing a wrap and yap party with my friends on Friday, so that's good. 2 weeks, plan Christmas menu. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm not sure about that. I need to figure out what our plans are. We might do an earlier Christmas Eve with my mom so that we can pick her up and drop her off and then have the evening to do all the things, but we'll see. I'm not sure. Shop for pantry or freezer food items, display Christmas cards as they arrive. I already did that. Mail out of town gifts. So I'm good on all that. I don't need to do any of that stuff. So we're doing good. And I'm really happy about that. Next week, I want to solidify Sean's gifts and all the stockings and be done with all that. So that's where we're at so far.